Welcome to this lesson on health at the doctor's office. In this session, learn how to talk in English when visiting a doctor. Understand how to explain how you feel, ask questions, and listen carefully to the doctor's advice. These simple phrases will help you communicate clearly and confidently when seeking medical help. There are several common situations when visiting the doctor. You may need to make an appointment in advance. During the visit, you describe your symptoms to the doctor. The doctor will ask questions to understand your condition. You may receive a prescription or advice about your medicine. Sometimes, you will need to come again for a follow-up visit to check your progress. Let us look at a typical conversation between a doctor and a patient. The doctor begins by asking, "Good morning, how can I help you today?" The patient replies, "Good morning, doctor. I have been feeling unwell since yesterday." The doctor asks, "What symptoms are you experiencing?" The patient explains, "I have a headache and a sore throat." This polite and clear way of speaking helps the doctor understand the problem quickly. When you talk to a doctor, you need to describe your symptoms clearly. You can say, "I have a fever and a headache," or "I have been coughing and sneezing a lot." If your throat hurts, you can say, "My throat hurts when I swallow." You can also say, "I feel nauseous and tired," or "I have pain in my back and shoulders." Using short and direct sentences helps the doctor identify the illness faster. Doctors often ask some key questions during a visit. They may ask, "How long have you had these symptoms?" or "Do you have a fever?" The doctor may want to know if you have eaten normally or if your appetite has changed. Another important question is, are you taking any medicine currently? These questions help the doctor understand your condition better before deciding on treatment. When talking about how you feel, use simple words. You can say, "I feel weak and dizzy," when you lack energy or balance. If you have chest pain, say, "I have pain in my chest." When you feel cold even in warm weather, it may show an infection or fever. If you feel hot and sweaty, it might mean you have a fever. Clear expressions help the doctor give you the right advice quickly. The doctor often explains the problem and gives advice for recovery. The doctor may say, "You have a mild infection," or "Drink plenty of water and rest." Instructions such as, "Take this medicine twice a day," tell you how often to take the dose. The advice, "Avoid cold or oily food," helps prevent your condition from getting worse. The doctor might also ask you to come back next week for another checkup to make sure you are improving. It is important to understand your prescription. When the doctor says, "Take 1 tablet after meals," it means you should eat first and then take your medicine. When you hear, "Take every 6 hours," it means you must take it 4 times a day at equal intervals. The instruction, "Take before food," means take the medicine half an hour before eating. If the label says, "Do not drive after taking this medicine," it means the medicine might make you sleepy or dizzy. If you are unsure, always ask your pharmacist to explain clearly. When visiting a pharmacy, you can use simple English sentences. Say, "Can I get this prescription filled, please?" when you give your paper to the pharmacist. You can ask, "How much does this medicine cost?" to know the price. If you want a cheaper version, you can say, "Do you have a generic version?" To make sure you use it correctly, ask, "Should I take it before or after meals?" Always confirm the dosage and timing before using any medicine. Let us review what you have learned. Practice speaking by acting out a conversation with a partner about a doctor visit. Try to recall keywords like appointment, prescription, medicine, symptoms, and recovery. Write your own sentences using these phrases to strengthen memory. Finally, listen again to focus on pronunciation and tone. With practice, you will feel confident and natural when talking to a doctor in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.